What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to purchase a domain name on Google Domains. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. So first of all, go to your Google Domains website. You can create your own account or you can log into your Google account. It's the same. And just as long as you create your Google account, you're ready now to purchase a domain name. So if you want to purchase, just click Get a New Domain right here on the left side. And after you click that, you can search a domain name. You can choose randomly. So I don't have to purchase a domain name right now, but I will still show you. So I will put randomly a domain name. And right here, as you can see, there will be a bunch of prices. It's pretty expensive. If you want to find the less expensive one, just go right there. Just click the relevance to prices to sort it right into prices. So this is the cheapest one. And if you want to buy this one, just click it. And as you can see, this is popular. This domain name is popular recently. And if you want to purchase it, just click this cart icon right here to add it to your cart. And after you click it to your cart, you can now ready to check out. Just click this cart button on the top right corner. And right there, you will just need to read the terms and condition first. You just need to accept it. You can also manage your privacy protection. You can also turn on auto renew. And if you want a custom email, that's up to you. And after that, just click continue. You will need to provide your contact details. And after you provide your contact details, your payment details, your bank account details. And after that, after you buy your domain name, it will redirect you back to this page, and your in my domains you will see the data of your domains, the expiration date, etc. And also you will need to verify first your email about your payment before you can use your domain name. So that's it. That's how you do it. And also that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.